Hey my fashionistas, welcome back to our small YouTube world called Beauty with a Twist. Firstly, let me apologize on being out of touch with all of you for almost 2 years now. We are really sorry. It was a very hard decision to shift our focus from our baby, that is our YouTube channel, to our real lives. It was like real lives took over our real lives. But now that we can manage our real life and our passion towards our YouTube channel pretty well, that is what we think, we are glad to announce that we are coming back with loads of new content to entertain you, to motivate you, and to make our Beauty with a Twist family very, very happy. So, you want to know what I was doing for past 2 years? Well, I was busy with my married life. You might have seen the video of my wedding and my honeymoon and all of that, and you might have enjoyed all the places that I've been to. So, I was very busy with my married life. The usual khana pakana, ghar sambhalna, and taking care of your extended family. Also, along with managing my career. So, most of you don't know that I was an Android developer earlier, and now I have shifted my work domain to a UI/UX designer, which gives me lots of liberty to play around with art and illustrations and a lot of designing tools. And I must say, it got my art sense tingling and got me back to painting, creating some great handicrafts. And let me tell you, art is surely a beautiful therapy. And not only does it give me immense happiness, but also calms my soul. And that is how I came up with an idea of starting my own store, selling all the beautiful stuff that I prepared. मतलब मैं बनाती हूँ और मैं hoard करूँ, that makes no sense. I know all you beauties out there would love to grab all these intricate, beautiful designed goodies, and that's why Beauty with a Twist Instagram handicraft store was born. I will be adding all the links to my store in the description box below. Today, our store proudly caters to handmade eco-friendly products made from sustainable raw materials. And let me tell you guys, these products don't cost bomb or won't put a hole to your pockets. Our catalog boasts items like fridge magnets, posters, keychains, earrings, bookmarks, decor pieces. All of these items come in varied shapes and sizes, and also they come in 3 design variants, that is Varli, Mandala, and Kola. All the products that you are seeing are handcrafted by me. If you love any of the products being displayed, then please feel free to contact our Instagram page and leave a DM telling us your order. And also, please let us know if you would like to see some art and craft related videos on our channel. We would love to do them for you. Hope you're loving all the products that are being showcased up till now. If you are, then please support our small business, and by grabbing these products and placing your orders on our Instagram account, it would mean the world to us. And if you're loving the video up till now, then like and share this video and spread the love throughout your universe. And please subscribe to our channel for more such entertaining videos. Enough blabbering about me. I know you're more excited to know what Ajita might be up to. So, in the past 2 years, she shifted her home in Bangkok and was busy parenting her sweet little over energetic son. As I observed her parenting skills from up close, I surely know being a parent is not easy at all. To raise her son, she could not pursue her career, so she thought of reconnecting to her old passion, a flame which was on the verge of running out. That was when her second baby, called Baking, got lots of attention and her bakery was born. To Ajita, baking is a form of expressing herself. Baking beautiful cakes and cookies and cupcakes and macaroons is a delightful event to her. Her bakery is called Cupcakes and Cookies. Her small business caters to all foodies based out of Bangkok, Thailand. So, if you or any of your friends or relatives are visiting Bangkok, then please make sure that you try one of her cakes or cookies or macarons. And I am definitely assuring you that you will be amazed by the tastes of all the beautiful offerings that her bakery has to give. Her bakery menu consists of mini cakes, cakes, cupcakes, cookies, macaroons of all shapes and sizes and designs, along with khari, which is an Indian accompaniment of design. Her cakes are available in egg and eggless options with almost 14 flavors in cake and 5 types of frosting. You can customize your cake as per your liking, and you might also be seeing all the customizations that she has done up till now in all the photos and videos that are being displayed on your mini screens or laptop screens. And edible toppers made out of chocolate base, not fondant, let me tell you, are also used for decoration of her cakes. Her mini cakes and full size cakes come in various flavors, and she also has the facility of self pickup or grab home delivery options. To place the order, you can message her 3 to 5 days in advance so that she can work her magic and deliver amazing, mind blowing cakes to your memorable events. I will be adding the links to her bakery Instagram store in the description box below, so feel free to express your love and appreciations towards her creations on her Instagram store. If you love what you see, then please leave your happiness in the comment section below. And if you are in Bangkok, then definitely go try out her cakes. Also, if you want to see how she creates all these jaw-dropping bakes, then shout out loud in the comment section below so that she'll make some sinful videos for you guys. This is what we sisters are up to. Please stay tuned for some amazing videos related to our new passions and also our old passions. We hope you will love this new content and the deviation of our channel, which will be much appreciated. We know our Beauty with a Twist family will keep supporting us as you have in the past. Our family will keep on growing in numbers. Until next time, love you guys to the moon and back. Take care of yourselves, and in the pandemic times, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Mwah.